Yuriy Bilous, a lawyer, is with us tonight to discuss this terrible matter. Let's talk. Please let me know, and me and my audience, what does and how does the Ukrainian government cooperate with other countries and international organizations to investigate and counter the ferocious abductions of Ukrainian children by Russia, by the Kremlin?
First of all, Ukrainian diplomacy is doing a lot to punish Russia at the legal level. For example, Ukrainian is working to set up a special tribunal for the crime of aggression for Russia's high level, for Russia's top political leadership, including, of course, President Putin.
Right.
This group already includes 40 countries, and the work does not stop. And we need to understand that no one has been convicted for the crime of aggressions, since the end of the Second World War. Right. And therefore, the work is now is not easy, but there is progress, and our country has done and is doing a lot of this. If we're talking about deportation of children, of course, our country, our government, our prosecutors, our human rights organization, right. Me as a lawyer, as an attorney who collect evidence of Russian war crimes, all of us, we have deeply cooperate with, first of all, with International Criminal Court, because International Criminal Court investigate this crime, investigate deportation of children.
Sure.
Also, there are 2 lawsuits of Ukraine against Russia in the International Court of the United Nations. The first case for Russia's violation of 2 conventions on the prohibition of financing of terrorism and on the prohibition of discrimination. The second case now in the International Court of Justice in The Hague, one of the main part of the system of the United Nations. And the second case is for Russia's violation of the 1984 Convention on Countering Genocide. In one of the cases next year, for example, we are expected to receive a judgment from the main court of the United Nations, the International Court of Justice.
It is great to hear that. Yuriy, what do you think, what legal and diplomatic measures should be adopted to counter and protect, if that is possible, Ukrainian children from abduction by Russia? What would you do? What would you advise to international organizations to do, to adopt right now? What is necessary?
First and foremost, we need political support, because we need evidences, we need investigations, we need a lot of specialists for this. And first of all, in all of this question is political support from foreign countries to our prosecutors, to our investigators, and to make decisions on the level of United Nations. For example, General Assembly. And of course, we need political pressure, big political pressure for the Russian statements, right. Because we have a lot of some investigations about this question, about deportation of children from different human rights organizations. But of course, we know a lot of information about this crime, but we don't have a good result. A good result for us is Ukrainian children have to be in Ukraine.
Thank you very much for your law expertise and for your time and for the job that you're doing for your country. Thank you, and hope to speak to you soon.
Thank you so much.